in this particular instance, those whose houses were going to be demolished, those who were not paid compensation, ran to us, to our law firm, and we took their instructions and approached the Lagos State High Court. And the court saw the urgency and the need to preserve the rest. So on Thursday last week, the court granted an order. Thou shalt not do it until this matter will be properly heard. On Friday, the following day, certified true copies of the orders were served on appropriate government agencies and officials. But on Saturday night, in the dead of the night, bulldozers invaded Oworoshoki.
Okay.